Farewell to the melody queen of India, Asha Bhosle. The legendary singer Asha Bhosle has passed away at the age of 92, bringing to a close a monumental chapter in Indian music history that touched millions of lives. Born in 1933 into the renowned Mangeshkar family, Asha Bhosle began her musical journey at a very young age, stepping into the world of singing professionally when she was just 9 years old after the loss of her father. Despite being the younger sister of the iconic Lata Mangeshkar, she carved her own identity in the competitive world of Bollywood playback singing during the 1950s through sheer determination and a distinctive vocal style. Over the decades, she proved her extraordinary versatility by effortlessly transitioning between genres, delivering energetic dance tracks as well as emotionally rich ghazals, most notably Nomrao Jaan, where her voice added depth and elegance to the music. Throughout her illustrious career, she received numerous honors, including multiple Filmfare Awards and national awards, which recognized both her technical brilliance and her emotional depth as a singer. As one of the most recorded artists in the world, Asha Bhosle leaves behind an unparalleled music legacy that continues to inspire inspiring singers and resonate with audience across generations. With her passing, India bids farewell to a voice that not only defined an era but also became an inseparable part of the nation's cultural identity.